Hello, I'm Sabrina from Inglés con Gillian, and today I'm going to talk to you about false friends. So we can see here a list of 16 words, and here in Spain these words can often be confused as to what they mean because they're similar to words in Spanish, but they're not really similar in meaning. So this is when you call them false friends. They're not really friends, okay? So let's get started and let's see if you know the real meaning of these words. So actual means real. It doesn't mean current, okay? Assist means to help. It doesn't mean to attend a meeting. Carpet is a type of flooring that's soft. It doesn't mean folder. Okay. Compromise. This one is tricky. To compromise is to reach an agreement with somebody or an organization, but usually by giving something up on your side and on their side. Okay. So for example, when you get married, you have to compromise on certain things like what you're going to eat or where you're going to live or things like that. You have to agree and maybe not have 100% of the things that you want. Okay, this is compromise. To stretch is something that you do when you're exercising. Okay. Exit is leave, to exit or to leave, and the exit is the point where you leave, departure point. Success is to reach your objectives. Okay, to be successful in your work, for example. Pretend is to invent something. So the children pretend to be princesses and princes. They invent being princesses and princes, for example. Soap, you don't eat. It's not soup. It's what you use to clean yourself in a bar or in liquid form. Okay. To advise is to give suggestions. I advise you to stop smoking, for example. To warn is more serious. It's the possibility of danger, and you tell someone about the possibility of danger. I warned him not to go there. I told him it was dangerous. Journey is a trip. It's not your working day. A journey is a trip. Sensible means to be pragmatic, to do the right things. Important. So if something is important, it is something that you should do, okay? It doesn't mean that it's big. I have an important problem. Doesn't sound right in English. I would say I have a big problem or a significant problem. Your notes mean that the things that you write down, for example. It doesn't mean the grades or the marks that you get for an exam. And finally, a discussion in English is a talk, a chat. It's not an argument. Okay, so those are 16 false friends that we have. Did you get them all right, or did you know them, I wonder? Let me know. And also, if you want to see more videos like this, please subscribe to the channel. And if you look below, you have a free ebook that will help you plan your improvement in English and help you develop your own personalized program that suits your lifestyle. So I hope that helps. See you soon.